How to turn on Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger? Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger is a feature that allows your messages to disappear automatically after they have been seen. This is particularly useful for having private conversations without leaving a chat history. Here is the step by step guide to help you turn on Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. Launch the Facebook Messenger app on your smartphone. Ensure that you have logged into your account. Then choose the conversation in which you want to enable Vanish mode. Tap on I button at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Disappearing Messages. Select Continue button and select 24 hours. Messages will disappear after the selected duration. That's it. That's how we easily turn on Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger chats. By following these steps, you can easily enable or disable Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger whenever you need it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.